Hello, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I am the owner of Imagine Wellness, and I'm here to talk to you today. If you have these 3 words in your vocabulary, it can be a sign that you are on a fad diet and it's not going to last very long. So 1, if you are using the word I have to eat fruits and vegetables. I have to reduce my sodium. I have to eat more protein. If you're using the word I should be eating more fiber. I should be watching my warfarin. I should be watching my vitamin K, not warfarin. Another word, I must be drinking more water during the day. I must do X, Y, and Z. If you're using I have to, I should, I must, you're coming from an obligatory way of thinking. Obligatory way of thinking can be very painful, and typically we don't do things out of pain for very long unless you're 1% of the population that can operate that way. Most of you, 9 out of 10 of you, are going to want to operate from a enjoyable state, which is not that many people when it comes to health and nutrition. So how many times in the day when it comes to health or food do you get to choose fruits and vegetables? How many times in the day do you want to eat more fiber? And how many times in the day are you saying, I'm choosing to eat more protein? Now, sometimes the words that we say, they can reflect what you think, what you feel, and what you believe. And so sometimes you have to say these words out of repetition to actually believe them over time. But recognize, what am I saying? What am I actually saying either out loud or in my inner dialogue about the foods that I'm choosing? And if you're coming from a place of pain, it's most likely a fad and won't last for very long. So shift the words that you use and see if that can change your long life eating habits. Again, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I'm the owner of Imagine Wellness. And if this was helpful to you, subscribe and like, and thank you for being here. Okay, bye-bye.